Hey there, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to be talking about these Offroam mounts for the new 3rd gen Nissan Frontier. There are only a few options out for these 3rd gen trucks right now to do like a phone mount or a ball mount type of setup in these trucks, and all the other ones that I could find required drilling into the brand new dash of my truck. So these are one of the only ones I've found that actually don't require drilling. So I'm going to show you these. I'm going to kind of show you what they look like. They make phone mounts, they make them for tablets, they make them for cameras, pretty much anything you can imagine. So again, I'm going to show you these things today, and I'm going to show you how to install them. Super easy, but just wanted to give you a how-to video on it as well. So if you want to learn more about the Offroam mounts, stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm just sitting in my truck and I wanted to sort of show you these Offroam mounts. I basically purchased 2 of these things from them because there are 2 screws up on the dash. When you remove this little rubber cover here, you'll see those 2 Phillips head screws there. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull those 2 screws out, and then you're going to put one mount on one screw, and it kind of cups up over this edge here and into this crack to hold it still. And then it has a ball mount on top of it, or a phone mount, or again, whatever you want. They have a ton of different styles of mounts. But so I bought 2, one for each screw, so that I've got 2 mounts. In my case, I'm going to probably do a GoPro for one of them, and then the other one I may actually mount my aftermarket GPS unit, my Garmin Overlander, up here as well. So I just wanted a couple of ways to, you know, sort of discreetly mount stuff. Also, when I take these screws out, I am going to look and I will let you guys know if this panel comes out and if this is hollow in here, because my plan is to notch this a little bit and then run my cords down through it so that they're not, you know, hanging over the dash and looking nasty. So let me start with these mounts though to show you what they look like. So again, in my case, I bought the mounts with the 20mm amps ball already on it because I plan to mount a camera to one of them and my GPS to the other one. Now it does have some nice padding on the underside so that it's not going to scratch up your dash. But as you can see here, right, so you undo that screw and then this is just going to kind of rest on there, and between being sort of clipped under this lip here and then screwed in there, it is really easy to install, and they're kind of universal. You can put it on either side, wherever you prefer. If you want it on the passenger side for your passenger's phone, or if you want it on your side for your phone, that kind of thing, you can mount it wherever you want. So, but again, you could get a ball mount like this. You could get one with a built-in phone mount. They have tablet mounts. They have all kinds of really cool stuff on their website. So whatever setup you want, they should be able to help you with that. But again, no drilling required, which is my favorite part. So let's pull these screws out really quick, and then let's get this installed, and we will see what it looks like. So as you can see, looks like there are a couple of clips, 3 clips there total, and then boom, that does get you into the dash. So it's kind of what my thought was, but that's pretty cool. So now my plan is just to run my cords down behind the dash back here. Anyways, good to know. So, but you don't have to remove that cover if you don't want to. If you don't want to run cables down through here or anything, you don't have to do that. It's just as simple as removing one or both screws, depending on how many of these mounts you're going to install. Then all you got to do is take your Offroam mount and line it up with the hole. Again, you do kind of want to clip it in the front first and then pull it down on the hole back there. And then you're just going to use your OEM screw, drop it down through there, grab your screwdriver, and just screw it down. I mean, it's about the simplest thing I think I've ever seen in my life. Once you get that cinched down really good, it should lay pretty flat. Again, no drilling was required, no nothing. You can even throw your mat back in there on top of it. It does stick up a tiny bit, but I mean, it's not even really noticeable, especially from the driver's seat. You can't even notice it at all. So that is what it looks like. Like I mentioned, it's a super easy install, right? I mean, I can't get much easier than one screw. But no holes required to be drilled, nothing like that. You know, some of the other mounts take up this entire space, so you do still have access to and use of, you know, this area behind the stuff. So if you throw phone up there, keys up there, whatever, or anything else up there, you can still use that space, which I really like. All right, guys, so that was the install of the Offroam mounts. I will let you know how these go. They are very sturdy. They're very stable. They don't move at all once you get them sort of clipped in there and then screwed down. So if you're looking for a phone mount, don't want to drill holes in your nice new truck, this is a great option. So again, I hope that info was helpful for you. If you have any questions, post up in the comments down below. If you got value out of the video, click that like button. If you're not already, click the subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I do a couple of videos a week, usually like overlanding gear type of reviews or overlanding topics in general, but I also have a new 2023 Nissan Frontier, so there's going to be a ton of content coming around the new truck. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Of course, also in the description below will be links to all my other social channels, so wherever you want to follow me, love to have you. Come and join the conversation over there. And then last but not least, there are also links to Patreon and the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Check those out too if you're interested in the Discord that we've got with the Patreon, or just a big group of folks that are interested in overlanding. But again, thanks for watching. Look forward to talking to you in the comments, and we'll see you next time.